Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm happy to see that you are here. Today we'll discuss power of self-inspiration. Care yourself to grow yourself. Inspire yourself for your development as no one else can do it like you. Self-inspiration is the major source of success. Be motivated to do particular tasks at your own based on your needs and wants. It is inspiring yourself based on your own thoughts and desires anytime, anywhere. Be clear about your goal. Know your strengths and weaknesses, external threats and opportunities. Realize your priorities based on your purpose of life. When you feel the need to qualify in the competitive exam with flying colors, you find miraculous results. Self-inspiration is the most rewarding compared to inspirations from external environment. When you start to take up something, you see from all angles how it can go well done. If required, you take calculated risks for its betterment. You find solutions for the problems. You predict the upcoming hurdles. If you need employment and you are self-inspired to try for it, no one can stop you. You never stop trying until you achieve it. From Daniel H. Pink's Drive book, you can learn better how intrinsic motivation can be developed to enjoy mastery and fulfillment of purpose. When you are greatly inspired on a particular aspect, you feel irresistible temptation, uncontrollable thirst to go ahead to fulfill your goal. Your inherent motives are more powerful to drive you as these insights more interest. When you aspire to be a writer and your inspiration comes from within, you become strengthened from inside. With your positive thoughts, you start taking up all sorts of activities to fulfill your desires. You start searching alternative best options. In the book Big Magic, Creative Living Beyond Fear by Elizabeth Gilbert, author has said, "Do you have the courage to find out the treasures hidden within you?" When you are self-inspired, you start hunting to uncover those jewels and get into creative living. So how to be more inspired to fulfill your inspirations? When you are attracted to do something, do not suppress your desire for fear of failure. Inaction is enemy of progress. Try to do something in right way. You will find the ultimate road to prosperity. Your cognitive behavior affects your feelings. Once you start doing something, your thoughts on the same will be magnified and it will help you to go ahead. Move forward being optimistic and always think positively. When you go through a life-threatening situation, you become self-inspired to save yourself and start finding all sorts of ways and means. Start trying to create a life that matters, to craft a life that matters. Go through the book, The Power of Meaning, Crafting a Life That Matters by Emily Esfahani Smith. Continuous learning is a very good habit. Continuously learn and increase your self-awareness. More you learn, more your capability increases and more you get self-inspired to go ahead. Your inspiration within you compels you to go ahead. Your inspiration within you compels you, dictates you to go ahead. Read good books, do journaling, discuss with friends, take up online courses, take a break from routine activities, have some incubation period to develop useful creative thoughts, and do mind mapping. More you are attracted to new things, better it is for you, and you get inspiration from within to learn more. Your interest grows exponentially and sets you in right path. In the book Ivare Badads, How to Stop Doubting Your Greatness and Start Living an Awesome Life, Jen Sincero has suggested how to love what you can't change and how to change what you don't love. You are the king of your head and heart. If you want, you can change everything. Prioritize your choice and concentrate on your activities which are aligned with your desires. Focus on your most interesting topics. Think of it, dream of it, live with it. Your intuition will provide direction what to do. You may be more inspired. In the book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck, a counterintuitive approach to living a good life, author Mark Manson has stated, once you embrace your fears, faults, and uncertainties, stop avoiding and start confronting painful truths, you begin to find the curiosity, courage, responsibility, and perseverance. You focus on things that may be favorable to you. Read such different types of books, have different types of thoughts, and gather knowledge how to win over all sorts of situations. Join social media groups, attend online summits, conferences, and seminars on your particular area of interest. Talk to your friends and relatives, discuss the pros and cons. Your self-inspiration level will flourish from all sides. In this concern, I read an article in the masterstudies.com and the concepts of Joanna Huggins attracted my attention. I could understand better how self-inspiration effects can be compounded and success can be achieved to lead a meaningful life. So, inspiring self is the best way to develop oneself. How it can be done? Let us discuss some points. Sit alone sometime and think how you are growing. What to do to improve yourself further. Have introspection. Be grateful to others. Listen to others well. Give more people and see their happy mode. Give more to people. When you give more, you get more. Focus on positive outcome and think for ways and means for further progress. Know what stops you from reaching your goal. Be inspired to remove hurdles. You may be fearful, so remove fear of failure. You may have mental block, not clear how to start. Remove emotional hurdles. Laziness. Have a plan to go ahead. Small goals may be more inspiring. Your limitation is only your imagination. Do not wait for opportunity. Create it. Thank you. Wish you a good life.